Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started towards a new video. This is all about the mining of Bitcoin or ETH, and this is the hash rate which I'm receiving around 24.9 on 1070, which is of Armor MSI version, whereas the other is Zotac 10606 GB single fan, which is called as mini. And here you can check all the details of this miner tool. And I like this tool because I can mine any of the coin which is currently on this miner and ergo as well, where I don't have to use any stratum. And here you can see all the profitability of each and every algorithm, and it mines whichever is profitable. And you can always add extra launch parameters like mt1 to mt6, and here you can see the overclock settings which I have enabled for this device, but you can always share your overclock settings for the same versions, which is of MSI 1070 Armor and 1060 Zotac mini, which is of single fan. So help me out and also get the help from me if my overclock settings work for you. And here you can see right now the actual is 3.45, at the current is around this much, 2 point change of dollars. Here you can see the rejected shares which we have got, but in the latest settings which we are going to upload in the next video, that will show you no rejected shares and the profitability is more in terms of hash rate. And whenever you want to exchange your Bitcoin on the Nicehash, you need to have 0.0001 of BTC in order to move to or swap to any of the currency or withdraw. So here you can see the market. Based upon that market, you can always trade your earning profit, and you can swap that into that currency, and whenever that coin reaches to the highest, you can again swap to BTC and then withdraw. So you can always have some updates about the market over here. Here you can buy the hash rate if you want, but I don't recommend it. And coming to the balance or wallet, here you can see right now we have around this much of dollars in total which we have invested in FTM, because we have seen more potential in FTM when compared to other coins, and we have earned around $500 in the previous payment. And this is all about the mining video, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and tap on the bell icon, please.